Step 4. Creating the animation. Open the Camera Settings palette. Click the Path button to view the animation path settings. We need to know exactly which frame we will be at when we arrive in front of the entrance door. As you can see in the lower left area of the dialog, the animation consists of 101 frames. There are 5 times 20 frames between each two cameras. The positions of the cameras are contained in the following table. If you look at the path in the floor plan, you'll see that camera 4 and camera 5 are very close to each other. This is a good place to wait for the door to open before entering the pavilion. So the door needs to open between frames 61 and 81. Close the Path Options dialog and then the Camera Settings palette. Select the entrance door and go to its Settings dialog. In the parameter list of the door, switch the Door Opens in Animation parameter to On. Click on the right pointing arrow that appears to the left of the parameter and specify 61 and 81 as values for the beginning and ending frames of the animations, respectively. The door will begin to open at frame 61, just as we arrive at the position of camera 4, and it will complete its opening movement at frame 81, just as we start to move into the pavilion from the position of camera 4.
Click OK to accept the changes. Set the 3D engine to Open GL 3D Engine with the view, 3D View mode. Open GL 3D Engine command.
Select the document Creative Imaging Create Fly-Through menu command. In the Result field, select QuickTime Movie File or another format of your choice. Also, make sure you check the Rebuild model for each frame checkbox in the lower left corner of the dialog. This step is crucial. When the program enters the 3D window, it has already generated the model. The door leaf is at a certain opened angle. If this checkbox is not checked, all the frames of the animation will be created using the already generated model. If you check this checkbox, ArchiCAD rebuilds the model for every single frame of the animation. This enables the program to read the value of globe_frame_NR in the door object and generate a different model for the door with each passing frame. Click the Save button. In the appearing dialog, specify a name for the video file to be generated and click the Save button for the generation to begin.
While the animation is generated, you can see the current frame being generated in the corner of the title bar.
Watch frame 61, where the door leaf will start to open. This concludes the first project created in this chapter.